Fire in the blackstone hole. Let's cook some stir fry. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. Hey, what we're cooking up for you today is a Thai dish called Pad Kee Mao. Pad Kee Mao. Pad means stir fry. Kee Mao means a drunkard. It has nothing to do with alcohol of any kind. We're going to make the sauce for this right now. It's a pretty simple sauce. It's only got 5 ingredients. And what it refers to is the cook. The cook's a drunkard. It's considered a hangover cure. Anyway, let's get the sauce done. Lee Kum Kee sweet oyster sauce. We need about 1/4 of a cup of Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. Good stuff, oyster sauce. I love it. It's the basis for almost every stir fry sauce that you could think of. About 1/4 of a cup of Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. Then we have some dark soy sauce. Now dark soy sauce is sweeter and thicker than regular soy sauce. We need about 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce in there. Don't ask me why I'm measuring. I don't usually measure stuff, and don't think it's that important, to be honest with you. You just put what you feel like putting. That's what I think. That's my philosophy. Anyway, so we got some dark soy sauce and some oyster sauce. Then we need some regular soy sauce. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of regular soy sauce. It's much thinner. That's about 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce. Let's put the top on that before it gets spilt everywhere. And we need some fish sauce. You're not going to make a Thai dish without fish sauce, and I like the 3 Crabs brand of fish sauce. And we're only going to put about a tablespoon of that. That's strong stuff, you know. It's made from anchovies, and it's got a real funky flavor. And the last ingredient is sugar, table sugar. Just about a tablespoon of regular old sugar. Just like that. And we're going to stir that together, and we're going to put that aside. We don't need that yet. We won't need that for a while until we get done stir frying all the ingredients, of which I have yet to prepare. Anyway, that's my sauce for the Pad Kee Mao. Let me get that all stirred together. That's going to be delicious. Okay, let's get that done and we'll start stir frying. Stay tuned. Okay, my Blackstone griddle is lit. We're going to start with some of the ubiquitous, ever-present Sautéing stir-fry oil. Of course, we're going to throw some stir-fry oil down because we're doing some stir-frying. So we want to get some Sautéings down on there, get it hot. Okay, now I got to put down I've got some about 6 cloves of garlic and some Thai bird's eye chilies. That's these things. These puppies are hot. I think I've got about 4 of them in here. But let me tell you what, if you don't like heat and you don't like it Thai hot, you're not going to want to put that many bird's eye chilies in your stir fry. I've also got some of this squeeze ginger. It just makes things easier. Put about some of that ginger. So we've got ginger, garlic, and the bird's eye chilies stir frying up on the Blackstone. Let me get them, get that stuff incorporated. Get that. That's our aromatics. That's what you start out with almost every stir fry. With those chilies, I can't stress this enough. They're very hot. You don't want to touch your face after you've been messing with those. Let's get them cooked up a little bit. Get that garlic and ginger and bird's eye chilies. Those are hot Thai chilies. Get them cooked up, and then we can throw on our veggies, some of our veggies. So stay tuned. Okay, our garlic is done. I think we can start stir frying our vegetables. I've got some onions, bell peppers, and the green stuff you see there is Chinese broccoli. Now the Chinese broccoli has a stem and a leafy part, and I've separated the stems from the leafy part because the stems are a little harder than the leafy part. So what I want to do is get that Chinese broccoli stems cooked up a little bit before I throw in the leafy part of the Chinese broccoli. But anyway, we've got so onion, pepper, Chinese broccoli in our veggies, along with that garlic and those bird's eye chilies. Got to get them stirred up, get them fried up a little bit. Kind of boring, I guess. You don't need to see that. Chinese broccoli is something I'm not real familiar with, but it sounds good. That's what goes in this pad Kee Mao. Okay, let's get that cooked up a little bit, and I'll bring you back for the next step. Stay tuned. Okay, my veggies are cooking along. We can add the Chinese broccoli leaves in now. You can cook them down. They're gonna wilt down to almost nothing. We're gonna get them incorporated in with those stems and leaves now together. Chinese broccoli, good stuff. Get that all mixed together, stir fry together. Maybe throw down a little bit more Sautéing oil. Get that cooked up. Looking good. Throw a little Sautéing on there, why not? Make it fry. Yes, sir. This is gonna be good, let me tell you what. We get our veggies cooked up a little bit. Our aromatics are smelling amazing, I gotta tell you. We get that Chinese broccoli wilted down a little bit. Get it spread out a bit. Get it cooking. Our pad Kee Mao is coming together. We're going to put in the meat next, so stay tuned as soon as that's cooked down a little bit. Okay, the pork is getting nicely seared up. I'm just going to drop a little bit of soy sauce on there, just to give it a little color. We're also going to put the sauce on in a little minute, so I just want to get a little soy sauce on there, and I'm going to start adding the noodles. The noodles are over here soaking in water. They're these wide rice noodles, same ones I used for my fake beef chow fun a couple weeks ago. Anyway, we're going to get the noodles on there, get them cooking. And it's okay if some of the water from the noodle gets on there, because that will make it steam and cook. So toss that around with the veggies. Our Thai drunken noodles are coming together. We just want to get a little cook on those noodles. I got to get more than that in there. Get that stirred up. I think I'm going to throw the shrimp on there next. My shrimp. I'm going to throw in, if I can get it open. Shrimps in. Okay. Get those shrimp cooking on there. Get them steamed up in there. You've got pork and shrimp, noodles, vegetables. It's almost time. You got to put more noodles in that. But we're getting them cooked up, as you see. We're getting a nice sear on them. Let's put some more noodles. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Starting to come together. There's some more noodles. That's about all the noodles I have. Okay. We'll stir fry our noodles together. Please ignore the noise from next door. My neighbor is remodeling his kitchen. Hope he gets it done, Jose. Get it done. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, let's get those noodles stir fried up. It's almost time to sauce this. And then we'll put on the Thai basil. And that'll be the end of it. It'll be ready to cook, ready to take a taste and drink a beer. I got a very special beer for today. Let me get my noodles spread out a little bit. Get those shrimp cooked a little bit. Yeah, they're starting to cook up, starting to turn pink. There we go. Starting to look good. Starting to look like something, folks. Okay. Let's get that stir fried around. Okay, it's almost time to sauce this mess. Stay tuned. Okay, the pad Kee Mao is almost done. It's time to put the sauce on. Sauce that stuff up. Oh yeah, that sauce is looking right, baby. Let me tell you what. Oh man, gotta get that on there. Get that sauce on there. Get that Pad Kee Mao sauced up. Stir it around a bit, get some of that sauce on every little bit of that stuff. Oh yeah. Oh yes. That's what it's supposed to look like right there, folks. Pad Kee Mao. Oh baby. That's what it's supposed to look like. Oh man, it's looking really good. Smelling excellent. Let me tell you what. Let me get this sauce all incorporated with my Pad Kee Mao. It's looking beautiful and shiny like it's supposed to. The shrimp are cooked. Everything's done. Oh man, my mouth is watering, folks. Let me tell you what. I can't wait to get some of that in my mouth. Let me finish this up. Get it in a plate. We'll drink a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. Pad Kee Mao. I almost forgot the most important part of this whole thing. Let me tell you what. This is Thai basil. We're going to put some Thai basil on there. Just going to break it up with my fingers. Thai basil doesn't need to cook. It just needs to be like steamed up. In fact, I'm going to shut the griddle off at this point. I'm going to throw some Thai. Oh, that smells so good. That Thai basil is amazing. We're going to throw some Thai basil on there. If you can't get Thai basil, you can use Italian basil. But if you can get Thai basil, it smells and looks amazing. This is what it looks like. It's got like a red stem to it, if you notice. And yeah, we're going to get some of that Thai basil on there. I'm also going to dress it up with some Thai basil when I plate it. But yeah, we're going to get some Thai basil on there. Get that stirred up. And that's our Pad Kee Mao right there. I almost forgot to show you the Thai basil. So yeah, let me get that stirred up. And that's the end of it. It's almost time to take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. Alright, the Pad Kee Mao is done. Here's today's beer. I'm glossing over Tango Joe's beers to get this thing. Lucky Buddha. Can you see that? It's hard to see. Let me back out of this so you can see that. It's really cool. I've had this before. It's in the shape of a Buddha, you see. Lucky Buddha. I don't know too much about this. Where it comes from, I couldn't tell you. It says enlightened beer. That's cool. Buddha's enlightened. So let's pour out some of that Lucky Buddha into the Frosty Root Boy mug. I think it's a lager. I really don't know. Lucky Buddha. I had it before. I've had it before. I love this glass. I mean the bottle. You know, the green bottle with shaped like a Buddha. It's probably just a lager, I think. I don't know. Don't know too much about it. It's the coolest bottle ever. It's shaped like a Buddha, let's face it. That goes with my Pad Kee Mao very well. Let's take a sniff of that, Rob. I'm pretty sure I've had this before. I'm pretty sure I liked it. Oh yeah, it smells great. It smells like a beer. Let's take the froth off it, Rob. What do you think, baby? Ah, Lucky Buddha. Lucky for me. I'll tell you what. Anyway, I'm saving that bottle. I'm going to put a candle in it and put it in my bedroom. Let me turn the camera around. Let me get a taste of this Pad Kee Mao in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, Pad Kee Mao. I can't wait to get this in my mouth. There's my Pad Kee Mao. Does that look good? I garnished the plate with those peppers, but you know, I sure don't want to get one of those in my mouth. I can tell you that right now. They're hot. Let me get some of this nice noodles and maybe some pork and some of that Chinese broccoli. You know, I actually like the Chinese broccoli better than the American style broccoli. See if I can twirl it up on my fork like a proper Italian should when faced with a noodle. That's me. Let me get that in my mouth. Pad Kee Mao. Mmm. Oh. Oh. It's delicious. Mmm. I'll tell you what. Babies, if you can make this recipe, you gotta do it. You gotta try it. It's excellent. I love rice noodles. I love the sauce that goes on there. It's delicious. Everything about this is excellent. You gotta try some of my Pad Kee Mao. Mmm. Those noodles are perfect. They got just the right mouthfeel. I love it. Mmm. You notice I didn't put a lot of pepper in there, right? I'll tell you what. You can taste them. You can definitely taste them. Anyway, babies, that's my video. Hope you liked it. Hope you consider subscribing to me. And also, go up in the iCard and check out someone that I'm going to send you to right now. Who will it be? You know who hasn't made a video in a long time? My drinking buddy Rob. Rob, get on the stick, baby. Make a video. Make some Pad Kee Mao, baby. You won't regret it. Anyway, that's my video, babies. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you consider subscribing. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to Rob. He'll be in the iCard over there. The barbecue pit dog. Go check him out. Come back next week. May not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. Lucky Buddha, baby. Lucky Buddha. Bye.